unpopular opinion, but can we stop sexualizing or fetishizing children characters 24/7 and posting it? I mean, sure, if you want to goon to a fetish you like and use a character to do it. Okay, fine.
But don't fucking post it.
Some people don't want to see that shit. Like, let's say you post IDC.
Mondo fetish content.
1, it would traumatize me because he's my second favorite TH character. And 2, kids are on this app.
Like what the actual fuck?
Anyways, Mikan's fiance out. I removed the BG and added a layout. You like it?